for our trip. Having a girls trip.
Yeah, we are.
It's so pretty. So that's fun. I'm sad there's no boogie boards.
Get out. No, you're not.
Fuck, I hate the ocean. Dun, 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 dun. Goes to Vegas once. Hello everyone and welcome to another Malibu vlog. I cannot promise that I will fall over in the freaking ocean and lose my top again, but you know, fingers crossed. So obviously we made it to Whole Foods to get some snacks, some goods for our trip. We've made it, finally. We made it to the beach house that we're staying at. You guys, the view. Oh my gosh, the view. This is so beautiful. So excited. Literally had the most embarrassing situation of my life right now. Okay, so long story short, we spent an hour trying to get into, you know, this place, and I was doing the lock and it wasn't working, and we called people numerous times. Eventually we had someone come out to help us. He was so sweet, so kind. We were trying to get into the wrong house. So that's fun. My fingers literally raw from trying to do the padlock code thing. Like, but anyways, we are here, we're alive, and I'm so excited to have a little staycation. Also, my mother's here. Hi. We're having a girls trip.
Yeah, we are.
Moops. They know me as Moops now? That bothers me.
No, it doesn't. You
only a few people know that.
Moops. Haven't even gone upstairs yet. I literally cannot believe that happened. Oh my gosh. But I want to show you guys a little tour. It's so freaking cute. Coming upstairs, like how cute are these double doors? Oh my gosh. Here's bedroom number 1. Stunning. We have a bathroom over here. Stunning. Oh, there's another bedroom down here. Oh my God, there's so much space. I feel like you could actually have so many people here. And then we have another, oh, this is the master bedroom. It's stunning. And then we have another little patio deck up here with an amazing view. I am so excited to just sit and relax. Maybe a little tan. Tara and Ashley's boob might have been out, so just look.
If not, leave this part in because that's fucking hilarious.
It is so bright, I can't even open my eyes. Is my top up? LOL, last year when I completely lost my top in the ocean. Came down to the beach and this is so stunning, you guys. Literally, like, no one's here and the weather's actually so nice. Like, it's perfect. Look how beautiful it is. It's a little windy, but the sun's super hot, so it kind of feels good. My favorite part is that we have absolutely no plans today, except dinner at some point. I'm down. It's also, I am getting hungry. We haven't had lunch yet. It's like 3 o'clock. I'm sad there's no boogie boards.
Get out. No, you're not.
I am. I want to go.
Can
I tell you the amount of people that were like, you better be vlogging Malibu. That was the best vlog. And I was like, guys, I'm not going to fall.
That was the best vlog because I caught it on camera.
Oh, it's freezing. I was like, I am not about to. It's definitely. It's so cold. Also, guys, shout out to Avant Stay for our stay. They even gave us these little like bucket hats for little souvenirs and some Ipsy bags, which I thought was so cute.
And the model for today.
I'm so thankful. They're the reason we're ow, I keep hitting your hat.
Sorry.
They're the reason why we were able to have a cute little mommy-daughter getaway. What is it? Don't tell me. Fuck, I hate the ocean.
Because it was like this. Like, it was
I hate how you can't see.
it was fleshy. You know what I mean?
I hate not being able to see what's in the water. That's what freaks me out about the ocean. Okay, we were actually there for a while. I ended up I posted on my story the clip of my top coming off last year, and I forgot how funny it was. So I'm gonna literally insert it here if you guys are new to the channel. Wow, thanks for subscribing. But long story short, I'll just put the clip. Yeah! You better put it on! It's funny when you know me, because me out of all people, I'm just so glad Ashley happened to get that on camera. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that clip. We're about to go get some coffee. It's a little hot, a little toasty, and I'm also starving, so.
September 20th.
And it's the 21st night of September. We're heading to Cafe Lux. Hopefully it's good. Oh my god, this is so bougie. This is beautiful. This is so cute. Wow, when they have stevia, heart eyes. Might take a few for the road. Hopefully they don't mind. My battery died, don't hate me. It's been a few hours, we charged her, and we are headed to dinner. We're going to this Japanese restaurant. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Well, it's B-U-I sushi, or is it B-I-U sushi? B-U sushi, Boo sushi, Malibu sushi, I don't know, but it's apparently really, 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 really freaking good, and I'm very excited to try it out, so yes! This looks so good. Ashley is in heaven. Also, guys, this restaurant is so nice. I definitely hear a dog. I don't know where the dog is. I got the grilled salmon, and we all just shared some like noodles and stuff. It was really good, guys. I'm also really trying not to spill on my white parallel jacket right now. Damn, over. Pop off. It's time. You know, the time in the vlog where I tell you who our sponsor is. Huge shout out to our favorites, Casetify, for sponsoring this video. I am so excited because I'm really planning on getting the new iPhone. Ollie got the new iPhone, and so the camera quality is just amazing. So I'm really excited to get it. If you're in the same boat and you're planning on getting it, or you know, you already have it, Casetify already has so many iPhone 13 cases. You guys know they have thousands of different combinations from fonts, colors, sizes, everything you could ever want for your phone case. So if you're interested and you want 15% off your entire order, just go to casetify.com/AlishaMarie and you can get 15% off. I've had a lot of people ask me what my code is. It's actually just the link. So literally all you have to type in is casetify.com/AlishaMarie and it will automatically add the discount to your cart when you check out. And my favorite part is I'm kind of clumsy and I drop my phone literally all the time. They are made with military grade drop protection. So basically you can throw your phone around and I've never had a screen break. So we love. Also, their new Impact and Ultra Impact cases are actually made from 65% recycled and plant-based materials. So if you're planning on getting an iPhone 13 or you already have one, definitely go to casetify.com/AlishaMarie to get 15% off your new iPhone 13 case. I look rough, but also my spray tan's like off of my face, but my body's still tan, so don't mind. Oh my god, this is so... Porcelains is not it. But we are currently packing up. This was such a short trip, but it was so relaxing and special. I'm sorry I didn't like vlog too much, but seriously obsessed with this place. If you guys are looking for anywhere to stay in Malibu on the beach, this literally is amazing. Check out Avant Stay. I'll have a link in the description box to this exact location. It is beautiful. It's stunning. I also feel like it's the perfect size because there's 3 of us, but yet there were like so many other beds if you wanted a bigger group. So I feel like it's so perfect. It's homey. It's so close to everything. So I'll link it below. We'll 1000% come back here. Let's get one last view because I mean, oh my God. It's so pretty. I'm gonna miss it. My heart is full. My mama, hello. I miss you so much. I missed you so much. Good morning, Taylor King.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Baltimore. Yeah.
It is actually it was very early. I guess now it's only 8 and I'm literally watching kids go to school, so I'm not gonna complain that it's early. We got up early though to get ready because we are recording 2 back-to-back episodes of Pretty Basics. So we're headed to the studio right now. We're doing one with just Rim and I, kind of like a catch-up one because it's been a long time since we've done one, just us. And then we're having Mariana Hewitt and Lauren Ireland from Summer Fridays in. So I'm very excited for that. They are so sweet. Inspired by them so much with everything they do with their business. But, dog. So fucking cute. Remember when we did the drive-thru challenge at that Taco Bell?
Yeah,
that was lit.
Yeah.
We are at the studio. We just recorded a episode. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I'm so sorry. I honestly didn't really vlog. Remind me, TK, I feel like there's always so much going on, so I never ask, but I need to get vlog BTS next time we're in the studio. Currently packing up. We did an outfit change because we did 2 episodes, and that's the little things, you know?
Wait, show them my new setup.
Oh my God. Look at TJ. I said TJ's.
So TK, what the fuck?
TJ's Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's.
Okay, so we got this little, like, it almost looks like a music stand. It's for the Rodecaster, which is how we record our audio. If you have starting your own podcast, definitely recommend this. And then we have this for like laptop, coffee, headphones. And it's awesome because I get to hear them all in my ear. And that way I don't worry about the audio.
Yeah, I feel like we finally have a good setup. Not on our end of like sitting and recording, but for like you guys behind the scenes.
Have you shown them the burn book?
I don't know if I have. Whit made this. She's so good at like scrapbooking and stuff. Like genuinely amazing. So we have all of our guests sign it and they take a little Polaroid. How long did this take you to make?
It took me longer to actually find a pink notebook like that.
Really?
Like, I had to glue 3 notebooks together to make it actually look like the burn book.
Oh my God.
But making it took me about an hour.
Oh, look at Momo, Ro, Daisy, Chloe, Crystal
so
A. It's so good. We have Ava Jules. We have me. Alicia's a fucking slut. To her defense, I did tell her to write this. Remy is a fucking friend stealer. It's like, I kind of forgot she put that. Zane and Heath, Florida men. Mariana, Lauren, the Polaroid died, so their photo will be added. We don't have Daisy because we didn't have this when we did Daisy Marquez, but I'm excited to fill this up. It's super cute. We should. They're making fun of me for vlogging. Since it's a scrapbook, we should just get a photo of her tech.
Some content. Here's me tap dancing.
Dun, 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 dun.
hand sanitizer.
No free brand deals!
Hey guys, today I'm gonna be putting on my parallel leggings. I love them because they're
Parallel
so
apparel.
comfy. Look how buttery soft they are, so smooth, so stretchy.
Do you have the newer ones? No,
I think
so
I
we
bought
changed
these.
it. We got rid of the tag, so it's a heat seal, so it's less itchy now.
The thing is, I've never felt it be itchy. You said that, and I was like, I've never felt
I think I'm hyper aware of that
Wait,
kind of stuff.
I'm gonna do a try on, BRB.
She said try on haul?
BRB.
Parallel apparel try on haul.
The hand sanitizer I got you guys.
Oh my God, born
notice
basic!
that?
What the fuck?
That was like my little detail.
Oh my God, I would have never noticed.
Target.
That's so cute, Whit.
also-
You're adorable.
Oh my God.
Oh shit, she's hot as fuck! while punching the air.
Today I'm gonna be showing you my outfit of the day. I'm wearing this top from Aritzia. It's like their bodysuits but cut into a tank. And then over here, these are my parallel leggings. They're really comfy. They make my butt look bigger than it really is.
Yeah, they do.
That's my outfit of the day. Thank you.
Let's go.
Oh my god, Alicia and I are obsessed with this TikTok trend where Saweetie was walking off stage like this. Let's go.
Wait, I should green screen her in here right now.
Yes! Me leaving PB.
Let's go.
It like hurts my back to walk like that.
Arch that
I don't have a thought to do that.
Anyways, we're gonna go. Love you. Have a great meeting. I'll see you tomorrow morning for training. 7 a.m. bitch. You better not cancel on me.
I'm gonna go.
Okay, good. Let's go. Update, we are back home. I was telling TK, I was like, hey, I desperately need some new like filming tops. I feel like I could use some more like color or like random, like just whatever. And we were just talking about it. And then she basically said, oh my God, let me shop for you. And I said, okay. So in Clear Marie House Fashion, we're having a full-on presentation. She's going to tell me not only what she picked, but why she picked it and why she thinks I should buy it.
Hey guys, my name's Taylor. Welcome to my presentation.
Hi, Taylor.
Today we are going to pitch why Alicia Marie should get the stuff that I have added to her cart. I think the best colors on Alicia Marie are orange, green, and purple and brown. Ooh. Not black, not white, but truly I think like with her brown hair, orange, purple, green, and brown look best on her.
I love that.
We have $737 for stuff.
Oh, she pricey.
First top, this brown long sleeve crop top. We have a little detailing, which I believe is gold, but do not fear.
Oh.
It kind of also looks like silver. I'm not really sure. I think that this high neckline will look really good on Alicia because you look good with high neck stuff. You have a great jawline, so like it looks really good. And I feel like you don't really have anything like this, and you can wear it out and like spice it up.
Cute,
or you can wear it with like cool sweats and like it can be a filming outfit.
Okay.
Do you like it?
I like it. I just don't want it to be gold.
I feel like gold would look better with your complexion. Anyway. Sorry, hate to say it.
Oh, shit.
Next one is, because I feel like you don't have anything like this, Kelly green blazer.
Wait, I kind of live for it.
You need it because you don't have many jackets and you need more. And
I kind of like the green.
Yeah, and I feel like you could wear like a parallel square neck top.
Yeah.
With like cool pants or just like plain pants and then rock the blazer.
Oh my God, love, 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 love.
And this one, it's like a cool cutout, but it doesn't cut out too much to where you're uncomfortable and you won't wear it.
Mm-hmm. I love the
tops.
Goes to Vegas once.
Yeah. Look at her
I like
hair.
that.
Like that's like your hair color.
It's
It looks
basically
so
me.
good.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Okay, I like this one.
Then we have, hear me out, hear me out, hear me out. This green, Alicia loves this like.
I love
towel
that.
neck. It just spices up, like think about the thumbnail, like you're just automatically gonna click.
She said Wizard of Oz.
Because it's like spicy.
See, I want to feel the material though. I'm like, is it like?
I feel like though it's the type, if it was like crumpled on your floor, which it will be, it won't matter if it's wrinkled because it's like the material works well. Because on Pretty Basic you wore a dress today.
Oh.
And I feel like this is so flattering, like the ruching.
Yeah.
And then you look so good with like a square.
Oh yeah, that one's really cute.
Okay, then I was thinking these funky pants.
Oh, cute.
Hear
I
me
don't
out.
know if they'll look good on me though.
Yeah, but listen, the ruching, I know you're gonna be like, my squish. The ruching, like, is a good mask of that. And I feel like you wouldn't wear, like, trousers, but these are close enough to where, like, you could dress up. Like, if you were, like, a long sleeve, like, not a crop top, you would probably rock these. And it'd be comfy because they're basically, like, yoga pants.
Yeah. Oh, but that's cute, cute. Okay, wait. We're gonna stop here because I feel like we should do a haul and then I can half blind react to the haul. Tea. Honestly, you did pretty good. Like I was like, would add. There's a few no's. I want to see the rest. Really?
Yeah, I thought you were gonna be like, oh, that's so cute. You're like,
I was like, okay.
okay.
No, you did it.
I think you need to be more expressive. Like, you're play it very safe. But you need to be more vocal.
And then you can style me for a day. Guys, TK and I just got a hilarious TikTok.
So good. I'm obsessed.
Now we about to head home. I think we have a meeting. That's pretty much it. She's a fashion influencer. Hey guys, I suck at ending vlogs. We already know this. We don't need to address it, but thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys soon.